Namaskaram. Welcome to Vidya Retreat and welcome to Ayurveda Marma Healing Therapy course. I am your host Dr. Himani Vashisht. Before I give you brief introduction about the course, I would like to introduce you myself and the Vidya Retreat organization because you will be getting the certification personally from Vidya Retreat organization also. You can also visit the website to get the better insight. Vidya Retreat is an international organization having its branches in India and Mauritius. It's a leading alternative health service provider, providing many health services, alternative services and diploma courses, certificate courses. We get students from all over the world. We have an international student base also. And apart from Vidya Retreat, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Himani Vashisht, the brain behind Vidya Retreat. I am a doctor in naturopathy, diploma holder in Ayurveda, Panchkarma therapist, master diploma holder in alternative medicine, master's psychology, and I have authored around 11 books. You can visit my personal website also, www.authorhimani.com. Ayurveda Marma Healing. Marma. When I use this word Marma might be a very new word, especially for Western world, but for Indians, Marma is not a new word because Marma is referred even in Vedas. Vedas are the oldest text found, and in Rig Veda there is mention about Marma science, about Marma Sthana, Marma is so old, and this therapy, this Marma Chikitsa, this treatment is so old. It's from time immemorial that it has influenced yoga, it has influenced Ayurveda, it has influenced dance, it has influenced martial arts. But still Marma is like a hidden science, it's like a very hidden and secret treasure. And why is so? Why Marma is a hidden treasure? Because Marma means vulnerable point, vital point, anything that is secret point. So these points are so vulnerable that injury to them may cause even sudden death. So these points are so powerful. That's why this science, this knowledge was not given to everybody. From time immemorial, from ancient time, mostly this knowledge passed to big kings, warriors, they are heads of the army, and the Ayurveda doctors in India, they used to have this knowledge, but this knowledge was never open for general public. They didn't have access to this knowledge. Even till now, even in India, people just know Marm, but they don't know much about it because this science is mostly hidden till now. But from 1993, as the research on Ayurveda is increasing, so people are taking more interest in Ayurveda. So efforts have been made by many Ayurveda doctors and many Ayurveda experts to make this science available for the benefit of general public also. But before you opt for Marma therapy, I tell you that this is a very serious science. Don't take it just very lightly, and if you are doing Marma therapy treatments, you should be very careful also. You need very precautions also for Marma therapy treatments because Marma points, they are very powerful points. Marma, some people refer Marma to like a acupuncture without needles. some people they compare Marma with acupressure, but I would not do so, because Marma is far more powerful than any of these sciences. When Buddhist religion was spreading in India, so they took this Marma science to other countries also, China also, Japan also. So Marma science, this Marma therapy is the base of this today's Oriental sciences like acupuncture, acupressure, these tapping therapies, all these Oriental therapies which give pressure, moksha, these things. But the base is Marma science. But because Marma science was also very hidden till that date, so the correct form of Marma science couldn't be spread. So today the acupressure people are using, in Oriental sciences they're using the meridian points, the tapping points, energy points, the vital points. They are not the real and the exact one what we get in Marma therapy. And in a way it is good also, because to learn Marma therapy you need real dedication, and you need real precautions also to perform this Marma therapy. In acupressure, people say there is no harm in doing acupressure, you cannot get any harm. But yes, in Marma therapy, if you are doing it wrong, you can get harmed, because these Marma points are real points. They are not some superficial landmarks. These are very powerful points. So if you are doing wrong therapy, if you are putting wrong pressure and your approach is not good, so there can be harm also. My aim here is not to demotivate you, but my aim here is to make you understand that you need real commitment and dedication to learn this Marma Chikitsa, Marma point, this Marma therapy, and you need real precaution. If you are an acupressure expert, acupressure therapist, massage therapist, or into energy healing, you will get the better understanding about Marma therapy, but you need to put your other knowledge other side also, this, because these Marma points, they are not superficial, they are really very powerful, and you cannot put so much pressure. Like in acupressure, some people they are putting so much pressure that other person is crying, like shouting, but no, you cannot do this. And for every we have 107 Marma points in our body, and these Marma points are having different categorization. We can categorize Marma points according to their site, doshas, and on different bases, and their effect and the trauma effect. So in my videos I will be discussing about the categorization, how to categorize Marma points, and for different Marma points there will be different ways also to stimulate them to get benefit from them. Earlier, till now, most of the people, because this science used to be taught to mostly for like martial arts and like to warriors, to kings, for fighting, so that they can use it for their benefit. But now efforts are made by people to use this Marma art for the benefit of general public, for the health benefit also, because people were using it mostly for warfare, but now you can use this for health benefit also. But then you have to be cautious. For every Marma, different Marma point, you have different procedures to stimulate. Some Marma point you stimulate by breathing, by just gentle touch, by gentle rubbing. Somewhere you have to apply some special oil, and for oil also we will be doing selection according to the dosha. I will be discussing in my Marma therapy class the doshas according to Ayurveda. What are doshas, and for particular dosha and for particular problem, for particular nature of person, prakriti, which oil and how we are going to treat. So the treatment is going to be different, and also I'm going to discuss about many protocols, different protocols for different Marma and different diseases. Yes, this is true that even the incurable diseases which we think these are incurable, these diseases you can treat with Marma points, with Marma therapy, and you get amazing results. And with Marma therapy, you get the instant results. It's a non-invasive therapy. Well, this is going to be a very comprehensive course, and I cannot give you just a beginner level course or just a intermediate course. This is going to be expert level course, because to treat in Marma therapy you just need to be expert. You need to know everything, every ins and out, so that you don't make any mistake. As I have already told you that these Marma points are very powerful points, so we are not supposed to afford or make the mistakes while doing this Marma therapy. So I encourage you to learn it completely, to learn all the concepts very well, and I'm going to explain. I'm going to give you a lot of notes, quizzes, and the notes will be very comprehensive. And I also encourage you to ask me personally more and more questions. If you have any doubt, anytime you are supposed to ask me, not to make mistakes. All the benefits that you derive from acupuncture, from acupressure, from sujok, from moxa, or from the traditional massage, all these benefits you can derive from Marma therapy. And these benefits, they are permanent, and it's very fast. Marma therapy works very fast. It works instantly. Another charm of taking this course is I will be teaching you how to do face Marma massage, a face uplift Marma massage, and that is unlike any massage you must have ever experienced in your life. Because when I do and I teach sometimes to my clients this face Marma massage, they are just like, wow, we have never experienced something like this. So that is going to be very amazing experience also. And if you are a therapist, you can include this in your therapies. That is going to be very, very amazing thing for you. The physiological and the anatomical position of these Marma points is so exact that there is no chance that you can ever miss a Marma point. I will be doing my best, I will be trying my best to teach you Marma therapy completely and in a right way, right approach. All I need from your side is full dedication and an open mind to learn. And the dedication is the key to learn this Marma therapy. I wish you all the best. Thank you.